Good morning, my lovely children. I welcome you all here in the EVS class. How are you all? I hope you are happy and healthy. In today's class, we will continue revising the celestial bodies and our solar system. First, let's see what is given about these in our textbook. Solar system. The Sun and its family form the solar system. The family of the Sun consists of the 8 planets, the satellites of these planets, and pieces of rock and dust. The Sun is a huge ball of hot gases. It is the only body in the solar system with its own heat and light. The 8 planets of the solar system are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Let's start with Sun. Sun is the brightest object in the sky and it is the only star in our solar system. All the 8 planets revolve around Sun on a fixed path which is called as orbit. First planet is Mercury and it is the smallest planet in our solar system. The second planet in our solar system is Venus, which is the hottest and brightest planet. The third planet is Earth, on which we all live. It is the only planet with life in our solar system. Fourth planet is Mars, and due to its color, it is also called as the red planet. Now comes the fifth planet from Sun. It is Jupiter, which is biggest in size among all 8 planets. After Jupiter, we have Saturn. It is the most beautiful planet with rings around it. The seventh planet is Uranus and it is the coldest planet in our solar system. Now comes the eighth planet, Neptune. It is the farthest planet from Sun. Children, observe this picture of solar system very carefully. Can you see this round circle of some rocks? Okay, then let me tell you about this. This is called as asteroid belt. Students, asteroids are the rocky substances in our solar system which are revolving around the Sun. Most of these asteroids are orbiting between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter, making an asteroid belt between the fourth and fifth planet. This asteroid belt divides our solar system into 2 parts, inner and outer. The first 4 planets which are inside the asteroid belt are called as inner planets and the next 4 planets which are outside the asteroid belt are called as outer planets. The inner planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. The outer planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. All of these outer planets are made up of very dense gas and these are bigger in size as compared to the inner planets. So, the outer planets are also called as gas giants. The last interesting fact for today is related to the second planet, Venus. Venus is normally called as the morning and evening star because it can be seen shining in the evening sky right after the sun sets in the west. It can be seen for a few hours before the sun grows too bright. This planet actually becomes brightest before the sun rises or just after the sunset. Satellites. Satellites are small celestial bodies that move around the planets. Like planets, they too do not have any heat and light of their own. They reflect the light of the sun. A planet may have more than one satellite moving around it. The Earth has only one satellite and it is known as the Moon. Jupiter has the largest number of satellites, that is 63. Mercury and Venus do not have any satellite. Artificial satellites. A human-made machine that revolves around a heavenly body is known as an artificial satellite. Satellites give information about the Earth and the universe. They give information about the day-to-day changes in weather conditions and also the position of the Earth. The first human-made satellite was launched by the Soviet Union. Present day it is called as Russia. In 1957. It was called Sputnik 1. India launched its first satellite in 1975. It was called Aryabhatta.